just like that, we've got the bonnet set up outside to paint, and I know that people are going to be like, there's an issue. It is my first time painting. I have took a lot of advice, and I told people I'm going to do it outside. So the person I told said to me, the floor needs to be wet, and you need to make sure you can clean up, like the overspray doesn't go onto the floor or anything like that. So all we've done is we've got two little barrels, we've got a sheet down, we've got the entire floor area wet, and we've got the bonnet all scotchied and ready to go. So over here we've got the brand new bumper, which I'll just show you like this. So you can see it's a brand new bumper. The fine scratches are from the scotch sheets. It's almost to, as you can see, it's a little rig up. So that's a little oil drum we've got of dirty oil, a bench, put them on top of each other, and it's good to go out. I can't do this inside because we've got cars, so I've got no choice but to try and do this outside, and put the shutters down so any overspray just goes into the air rather than onto the floor. The bumper does have a little bit of damage, which I've never noticed. That could have been in transit, but we are just going to soldier on ahead and start to get it sprayed. And then over here, the bonnet itself, I've noticed since I've got it out in daylight, I've noticed there's a dent there, there's a dent there. That line's not 100% perfect, but at this point it is what it is. I have had it checked by someone that did say to add more filler and work my line through, but I thought we'll give it a go, see what it is. Worst case scenario, we'll just give it to a body workshop if we're not happy with it. But we are going to give it a go today. The noise in the background is a compressor you can hear just filling itself up. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to spray this. Now I'm going to be fully masked up, so there's no point me recording because you won't be able to hear anything else say. I don't have the setup with me to even set it up on a tripod, and you just can watch as I'm painting. So I might try and get some little bits quickly while I'm painting, but if I can't, I'll show you the product once it's done. But we just need to paint here and then clear coat the entire one. And then with the bumper, we need to paint the entire bumper. So if we go back over to the bumper, we need to paint the entire bumper and clear coat the entire bumper. But we need to make sure we do it enough so the black doesn't come through on the white paint, and over on the bonnet, we don't get the primer that comes through. So we need to make sure we've got enough coats on it, maybe 3 to 4 coats, depending on how I spray it. And obviously if we get runs, we're gonna have to figure out how to get rid of that at the next stage. But let's go ahead whilst we've got the sun, because this won't be around for long, never is. Let's go ahead and start spraying up.